Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, open Settings, confirm your device meets app requirements, and enable overlay and background permissions so OnlyWay can run multiple sessions. Next, prepare each account's login info and decide which account will be primary versus secondary. This simplifies session management. Install or update OnlyWay to the latest version, then grant storage and notification access. Once done, launch the app and choose the multi-account setup option. This begins isolated containers for each account so apps don't conflict. Now you build the core. Create isolated containers for each account and name them clearly, for example, work and personal, because clear names prevent mistakes. Inside each container, configure sync frequency, notifications, and app permissions independently so one account settings don't affect another. Link necessary accounts to their proper profiles and enable auto login only for trusted devices. Make sure to test switching between containers. This verifies isolation and confirms that data, caches, and cookies remain separated as intended. Finish by backing up your container settings and scheduling periodic exports so you can recover if something breaks. Then secure the OnlyWay app and each container with a PIN or biometrics to protect multiple accounts from unauthorized access. Once everything is set, test a full sign-out and sign-back-in cycle to ensure persistence. If you encounter sync issues or duplicate notifications, clear the affected container's cache, reauthorize the account, and, if needed, reinstall OnlyWay. These steps usually resolve authorization and sync failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.